Hello, mabuhay! Welcome to Magic City. Adora, I'm Janelle. Hi, Serenelle. Yes, I welcome here in the spa, which I'm working right now. You can follow me. I'm just gonna show you around my facilities. Okay, come. Okay, so ito yung area ko here. I'm working on board for 12 years. I'm actually Janelle, the beauty spa manager on board. Alright? Okay, let's come in. Isa sa mga paborito naming area, of course, are relaxations. We have, this is the newest ship on board. They just recently launched 2 years ago. And also on board, well, we also having on board, we use the LMS, our international brand on board, where it come from UK. Yes. Okay, massage therapist, beauty therapist. I grow after 5 years, become spa receptionist, and now, currently, spa manager on board. There you go. This way po. Okay, ang una nating bibisitahin is our VIP lounge. Come on, let's have a look, guys. Yan. So, into Magic City, we have these nice lounges. We have also what we call yung foot soak bathing natin. Yan. So, we love that kasi, especially when they have their tours, they sit down, they relax. And of course, with a nice sunset here and sun view. So, yep. And of course, meron tayong for living, we have the sauna, which mostly Asian people mahilig dito because for skin and blood circulation. Also here sa Magic City, meron pa kaming isang secret area. Come on, this way, our wellness suite. Yan. They can also use yung special bed natin. So yung special bed natin, it's a heated bed. Yeah, which is really good, especially for spine support. So we use, and after the massage, we do the treatment here as well. Also here, as also part of your VIP treatments, you can also use the bathtub here. So yeah. Again, on this wellness treatment room, meron kaming couples. We can do side-by-side massage. Have your partner with you, your friends, your family, name it. We can have you here. Adora is actually planning to come in the Philippines. So those aspirant massage therapists, guys, this is the opportunity. You need to apply. Again, our application, you can go for One Spa World website. Otherwise, in the Philippines, I used to have the agency with the TDG.
Mag-apply kayo sa kanya, ha?
Yeah.
Recommend mo,
yes, yes. I would like also to show you one of our indulging facility. Meron tayong salon also on board. So, yes, we do treatments like wash and blow dry, keratins. We also have this. And also our brand is international. We use Kerastas, which is very famous also in Europe. Yan. So, Kerastas. Alright, and let me also introduce one of our best area, our fitness area. Come on, guys. Yeah, so here on board, all the guests actually receive their complimentary use of the gym from 7 to 10 in the evening. Those who are aspiring seafarer, huwag kayong bumitaw. And also here in the spa, maraming tayong opportunity. Guys, we're gonna have, like in 3 years time, I'm telling you, it will gonna be boom in Asia. Again, also the salary is also very good to benefits our family right now. I know how we are like managing some like crisis back home, but again, there's gonna be a huge opportunity for everyone. When you dream, it's always possible. So be positive. Or those who would like to come and join us, you can do it, guys. I'm sure you can. Okay? Bye-bye. See you at Adora.